My love, we did it. It was never your job to save me, but you did. You lifted me up, taught me to love myself, and always to stand tall. You have shown me that the power of a smile and a kiss on the forehead can heal almost anything. You have supported me through my ups and downs, and when I've sometimes needed a push in life, you have always obliged with a gentle shove. To me, you are absolute perfection. Your comfort, your love, and your support. Thank you also for teaching me to love myself and to trust again, to be proud of myself and to always seek adventure.
The main topic is love. Is love. When we say te amo, if Veronica said to you te amo, man, you got it. All right, you got it. Because when we say te amo, is that we give everything.